to draw one today. The kind of extravagant makeup with autumn atmosphere. Try my new primary color, Porta's Green Concealer. Why does it feel a little dry? Correct the eye area as well. Recently, Guangdong has also started to get colder. I just want to paint some autumn makeup with this atmosphere because I'm going out today, so use a moisturizing base makeup. Then I mixed a little makeup. There are some more obvious blemishes left on the face. Take this concealer, secondary partial cover, or use the puff of liquid foundation to pat it open. Because today, the whole is a more watery makeup, so the facelift is in the form of a paste to add to the overall contour. Special drinking liquids will be more likely to faint. Doesn't look dirty. The makeup remover brush will faint him in place like this. Try not to damage the position of our seedlings. The pink and white one brightens and sprays a small area of makeup. Change a small puff to pat it open. That way, he won't easily rub to the side. Sisters who have watched my video will find out I've been really using this lately. Transform this makeup with a multi-purpose stick. It's the first thing that comes to mind. Today, it is still used to create the kind of full face shading sensation. It's this very premium peach pink. This color is simply a deep sense of autumn and winter atmosphere. We use the puff directly with foundation. Dip the color on the palm of your hand. With a light press and beat, the upper part is on the zygomatic bone, like eyelids, pinching bones. You can get a little bit of nose, head, and chin. Increase the atmosphere of the whole face. His face is moist but not oily, tired feeling. This will not be heavy at the same time. It also blends well with the skin. Don't worry about ruining the base makeup at all. With the puff, go to the oily part of the makeup below. To keep the gloss on the sides, create the feeling of velvet broke light. Feel. Eyebrows with expired makeup are a must. Emphasize the oily feeling, not too blunt. So the eyebrows are still cut with an eyebrow pencil. Bring the position of the eyebrow up, and then fill in the back part of the tail. What about the rest of the hairy flew? We're down there. Just tick it out. I bleached my eyebrows a little lighter, so we can't use that anymore. Brown eyebrow cream. Use a little gray. When combing, you can stand up a little bit. Then I want to use this pink brown again. Let's synthesize it a little bit. Eyeshadow part. Take another one of this pink brown. Just deepen the roots a little bit. The level of the eyes should not be too monotonous. They have these naturally brown, wide pupils. I haven't used lace double eyelids for a long time. Use this lace one today. My eyes are swollen too much. So I made a layer on one side and stretched it out a little bit. Try this new eyelash curler I bought. His real eye doesn't hurt at all, and it smashed so well. Ah, this is really easy to use. Brush the eyelashes as a base. Support your eyelashes. Dip this left foot brush into brown eyeshadow cream. The position of the eye is directly extended, just a little bit. Stretch up. Fill in that eyeliner. The eyelashes pasted to the eye. This swan. I think this eyelash is really beautiful. It's just natural. Use this cis brown with a reddish hue. It's all about our lower limbs. Continue to use this fish meal to hook aegyo saliva. Aegyo saliva, we just follow the shape of the eye. The kind of aegyo saliva with narrow front and wide back. Keep dipping in this color. We put the eyeliner at the end of the eye. Pull it out a little bit. The eyebrow pencil deepens the position of the eyes, and the eyeliner part don't deepen at all. Deepen to the position of our double eyelid fold. That's it. Lower eyelashes are slightly primed with eyelashes. Just brush out a little bit of eyelashes. Don't be too heavy. I think the nose repair is a bit weak. Use the powdered one again. Deepen that detail of the facial features. A little bit. I want to fold this color a little more. Then fold a little more on the eyelids. Make him more lustrous. Because I just folded the blush stick. I think the highlight on the nose is enough. And here are some of the essentials of perception. Cover your lip color. Finally, the mouth is also of the same color. This can match the tone of the whole makeup very well. Print each other. I have to say, their house is really good at color matching. It looks good.